The estate was curated with utmost attention to quality and detail. Unique, handcrafted elements are complemented by a large and welcoming floor plan, offering 6 bedrooms, 11 baths, complete with abundant indoor-outdoor living and entertaining spaces. Every inch of this stunning residence is built on a grand scale, from the 5-car garage to the soaring 12 to 30-foot ceiling heights. Grand suspended staircase, a breakfast nook with seating for 12, and a private fitness center. This amazing estate boasts over 15,000 total square feet. As you enter through the custom mahogany front doors, your eyes are immediately greeted by a 2-story wall of windows. Owners will fall in love with the lavish master suite featuring a private patio and a magnificent Clive Christian spa bath. The kitchen is highlighted by top-of-the-line appliances, opulent granite surfaces. Additional features include a private elevator, pool house, and a safe room. This home is all about luxury, convenience, and lifestyle. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more stunning luxury real estate videos. Stay tuned for the next dream home.